that milk has to go to product factories and you get a lower price. So there is a double that trend. He's hit twice, so nobody adds water. But here, if you don't add water, you don't gain. And then the MD of Milkfed Punjab telling me that the farmers, progressive farmers told him that 20-30 liters water that we are adding is the profit, otherwise we are in loss. So I hope the point is well taken. So second is, now you are talking regulations. We already have stringent adulteration regulation for the last 60 years. Maybe we have been making amendments from time to time, make it more strict. The punishment, nowadays punishment is I think life imprisonment or 1 lakh rupees or something. What is it? Can you highlight?
10 lakh.
10 lakh rupees.
10 lakh rupees.
So 10 lakh rupees per case.
Maximum punishment.
Maximum punishment is 10 lakh rupees.
10 lakh rupees.
No imprisonment.
6 months in
6 months in imprisonment. And what happened in China? There was a melamine case.
Yes.
The fellow has been hanged. Death sentence.
Yes, 6%.
So this is not money here which is going to make the matters. It has to be that punishment. It has to be capital punishment. It's playing with the health of the children of the country who are the future of this nation. If you are allowing people to adulterate and then you get pay 10 lakh rupees if you are caught, you will never be caught. Because if you can pay 10 lakh as a fine and NDTV video, what do they say? The fellow says, I am supplying milk to Delhi and we are doing it for last 20 years and it is all made used for mithai makers. And he showed the total formula. He said, I devised this formula and this is since organized sector came into being, this formula is being used for making synthetic milk with the easy detergent and that shop, you know, I can give you, I have given in my paper, you can go through that. If that is the status of India, nobody will touch Indian mithai. A fellow from New York sent me that link. A doctor friend from New York gave me the link. He said, this one don't eat mithai because this is what the whole world knows, that what kind of milk is used for mithai making in India, so don't eat. If you have laws, you make more stringent laws, increase the fine to 10 lakh, you make it 1 crore, but nobody is caught, nobody is punished. How many people, since we have 10 lakh penalty, how many people have been given 10 lakh penalty where Supreme Court or the Food Safety Regulation Authority says 70% of milk in India is adulterated? How many people have been hanged? How many people have been put behind the bars? And there is Jaspal Patti has wrote a column in Tribune just before his death about milk adulteration. So it's worth reading. It's a big star on our face, and whatever we are doing, we can increase milk, we can become the number 1 in the world. But it's not going to, nobody is going to touch our mithai or products. What is the use of making that milk? Only Amul products, when in Canada, only Amul products are available to us there. I didn't see any other company product over, because you can't sell like that. I don't know, see in the Middle East, how much milk powder has been rejected over there, India milk powder, and what happened? The government of India knows that. So if we are not going to punish people who are adulterating milk and they are going scot-free, then this country is doomed. Then dairy, take my words, I am going to immigrate back to Canada, but take my words, in next 10 years, pure milk will not be available to anyone in the country if this continues. Only synthetically blended milk will be available. Next is.
I don't agree.
Again, I apologize. I apologize with folded hands. But I am expressing my feeling. I may be wrong, but
Since I mean, it's not a question of, like saying my apologies or something. See, you make a statement, I have a right to make a statement.
okay, no, I listen.
That's it.
No, I will listen to it, please.
If there is a problem, no, there is always a solution.
No,
The country is like
let's hear from you.
We will find out the solution.
This is what I'm saying.
Please, I will.
When you make a statement that in next 10 years, not even a single drop of milk in India is going to be, pure,
Absolutely.
unadulterated, I don't agree with that.
So what do you think?
I repeat, dairy industry has moved a lot since, 2 to 3 decades back. You see how cooperatives and many organized dairy sector plants they are working. They are going to they have a very strong procurement system in the villages, and they are. You have in your paper also you have said that cooperatives are procuring good quality milk. You have said you
But
were.
which cooperative says that?
No,
Which
no.
have it, no,
No.
I mentioned you. You read that.
So,
I said
precisely.
those who are working exactly on Anand pattern. Anybody
So,
reading the Bible and
precisely.
implementing the Bible is a Christian.
So that strengthens my point. When
Yeah.
you say that not even a single drop, what about those cooperatives which you are acknowledging they are
There
procuring
is
good quality?
always a black sheep.
This was
which
only,
needs
I
to be
said
caught.
this-
Which needs to be caught.
This was
and
only to
penalized.
generate
See,
heat.
it
This
was-
was only
I invited
to.
everybody.
No, it's not.
When is it?
On the
No,
same-
no.
same
This is a formal meeting. This is an official meeting. So we cannot make statements like that.
Okay, I apologize. That is what we do in Parliament also. So I apologize and let's move to the next. And here is Ganga. So Ganga Jal used to be a medicine for all of us. And now to the status, you can go through it. And Ganga Jal used to be having shelf life for 10 or 20 years. But Ganga Jal from Gangotri even today has that. It has 25 times the oxygen level. That's what the scientific study says. And it has no expiry value. Honey has no expiry. And same is with milk. It doesn't have any expiry. On the search we are doing, Indian milk will have shelf life of 1 or 2 years. I'll share that also with you. Indian milk produced in a village today, how I say pure milk will be substituted by this kind of milk which is being sold today to the urban population. I give you
Certainly, I agree with this statement. I mean, I would say further that the milk produced by our animals, if you see that in terms of microbiological quality or somatic surveillance, it is much better than what we have.
That is what I am saying. Our milk, I have tasted milk all over the world at different companies. And one of my friends, he recently went to New Zealand and Australia. He said, he's in USA, he's in New York. He said, Australian milk tastes so good. He said, can you tell me the reason? I said, yes, I can tell you the reason. Because they have open grazing, strip grazing for the animals. Not they are making fermented like silage in Canada, because 4 months there is no fodder. So what they do, they produce milk with silage. So the taste of that milk is not going to be that what you get in Australia or New Zealand. So that is primarily what I mean to say. That if pure milk reaches the consumer, that is the objective of all of us sitting here in a official meeting. And since I am representing a mission, I have been asked to share the bitter truth even if you are offended. But I will apologize because that is what the all parliamentaries do. Today I am not working for any government or private organization, I am an individual. And you have invited me. I've written to the Prime Minister and I have been invited to, if I say that I cannot speak, I may be wrong. But if I am wrong, you will please excuse me next time. So we have video, just wait. We will provide live demonstration of all what I am saying here. And mission will provide testimonials issued by premier dairy institution for all projected claims and content. I cannot, if you say it is official meeting, I am going to give copy of this to Government of India to screen and punish me if I said anything which I cannot prove. I think that's good punishment for a person like me. If I am accepting that punishment, no, I have to be that.
The objection was that
Okay.
it cannot be
Please
generalized.
put it, yes. Put it that. Put it that. Yes. Next. Just hold. Now we say, we will provide documentary, I have come prepared. I am prepared. Anybody in the country want to say that whatever I am said is meaningless, useless, I'll prove arithmetically, scientifically, and at the end of the day, end of my session, I'm giving you pasteurized milk with 15 days shelf life, I'm giving you sterilized milk, giving you sample of that 1 year, and no milk plant is required. Can you believe me? No milk plant. Milk will be processed any farm in the country from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, and you can take it anywhere, it will go to all countries. It will have shelf life of 1 year and no adulteration, no preservative, no chemicals. I'll give you the sample before I go. Please give me this. I beg your attention. Next. Now this is the infrastructure that our mission is going to practically demonstrate Not that we just put a presentation and we forget. This is what is the requirement. Now, please see if this requirement can be fulfilled by the present organized sector, whether it is NDTP or it is AMUL or private sector or unorganized sector, anybody in the country that will say that pure pasteurized milk having original or fresh taste, number one requirement. Second, milk produced only by healthy, I should know if I am getting a milk bottle, I should know whether the animal that produced this milk is healthy or not healthy. And I should know which animal's milk is in this bottle. Is there any technique or technology in the world over anywhere where you have a bottle, you purchase a bottle of milk from the shopping mall, and there on that it is written that this milk has come from such and such cow, number so and so and owned by such farmer. Is there any technology? Yes or no? Please? No.
Unless it's labeled so.
Oh no. I will prove this one. I'll give you a bottle of milk produced by a cow in Gaushala in near Sukna Lake. There is a Gaushala. They have 200 cows, and the name of the cow is Krishna. I took that sample milk from them. I sterilized that milk, and that milk has a shelf life 1 year. And the name of the cow is written on that cap. So that means it is possible what I'm saying. I'll share that with you. Now, milk produced by Alien, the scientific milk process packing under strict quality control from first point to the last point. Then environment friendly energy resources are used. The processing technology which our mission is going to highlight is going to be no water consumption, no fuel consumption, no electricity recurring cost. Is that again a dream? Is it medical?
It cannot be. It cannot be. Don't say that it's a dream. It cannot be.
Very
because technologies
very,
are.
yes, that is what. Now I am very happy because what we do. All the energy is coming solar. I have a collaborator who is from a solar system. He is a managing director of a company in Gurgaon, solar based. So I have been working with him for the last 10 years. We have evolved a solution. We have a solar based processor. No water consumption, no fuel consumption, and even the electricity to be used after pasteurization. Cooling the milk will also come from that sun source. Or if there is a cloudy day, if it is a farm, it will be energy, this power will come from biogas or sun. So how much money India will save by using that processing technology? So this is environment friendly resources are used for processing, environment friendly recycling packaging, or even this water. So if you put it in your car and close it, and after 2 hours you drink this water, this will be bitter. You know that. Because this chemical, if you are keeping it cool, the taste remains good. But if you are putting in a hot chamber, the chemical change will come in this. So plastic is not for milk. Plastic packaging has to stop. It has to be either stainless steel or it has to be a glass. And that is what we have been working on. That I'll give you what we have achieved finally on this. Tamper-proof seal to check pilferage adulteration. Is there any body in India where you buy a bottle of milk and you are able to say if it is tampered between processing plant to consumer, you can find out that it is tamper-proof? Is there a packaging material available today in milk that the pack will speak if it is manipulated, if it is disturbed on the way between processing plant to consumer? If somebody adulterates or takes out something or adds something, the bottle will indicate. Is there a technology available? No. I will show you right now. A bottle of milk which will speak for itself. That if you keep it outside, you are not keeping at low temperature, it will pop up. And if somebody opens it, he will not be able to close it. It's a vacuum packing. Milk vacuum packing. Shelf life goes up by 1 week by using that technology, and there will be no tampering in between. Though the traceability will be there, I'll show that to you. Exemplary shelf life meeting with international. Now you may purchase a pouch of milk. Now I am giving you your answer. if Peters Foods, a Parnot Canada company, is producing pasteurized milk, it has come to the plant today and they have pasteurized it and they have not allowed post-pasteurization contamination to take place and they have labeled shelf life for 21 days. And if that milk comes to you, you consume on that day, you will call that a milk, fresh milk. You may not keep it for 21 days. If you want to use fresh milk, they are not asking you to use it after 21 days. They are saying if you are keeping in your fridge and for 21 days, if anything happens, we are responsible. If the microbiological count is more, it is harmful for your health, we are answerable. I have seen milk factories being sealed. If the thermograph is not there in a dairy plant, the inspector will come, he will say, show me your thermograph for the pasteurizer for the last 10 days. And if one is missing, he will say, your factory is locked. You cannot operate. And how many thermographs in India are working? So if we have to compete globally, we have to come to their standard. There is no way. There is no way. So next please. Now it's a unique milk producer consumer friendly network. I have worked on this for the last 5 years in Chandigarh. We have created a model which will create a flyover between producer and consumer. Producer will give absolutely pure raw chilled milk produced with hygienic precautions and that milk will reach the consumer and Chandigarh is going to be, I met Madam Kiran here, MP from Chandigarh. I demonstrated to her that we from our mission we say Chandigarh will be made the first city in the country where pure milk will reach from producer to consumer through a direct flyover link. And pasteurization and sterilization will take place on the rooftop solar system because now it is compulsory for any 1 crore or bigger house to have a solar system. Chandigarh is going to be solar city and then there is no additional cost on any household. I have put on my house solar system and I have pasteurized and sterilized milk which I am going to show you today. So there is no milk plant involved. Milk will come directly from farmer to consumer and he will do the processing at his place. No packing material cost, no water cost, no fuel cost and these 15 rupees are saved and these 15 rupees, 5 rupees more to the farmer, 5 rupees raised to the consumer and 5 rupees for the entrepreneur if he wants to set up a unit between producer and consumer, whether he handles 100 liters or he handles 1000 liters or he handles 1 lakh liters. So he will have to say cost plus basis. He will say I will pay in Canada. You don't have to fight for procurement with the dairy plant. Don't fight. Amul will not go to Punjab to procure milk. Now they are going to come to Punjab. In Canada, you don't do that. Whole of Canada, price is the same. It is assured by government. Anybody producing, you can't produce milk without a license. So you say, I want to set up a dairy farm. I'll keep 200 cows. I'll produce 5,000 liters milk. Government will give you license. You don't have the marketing hassle. They will assign you a milk plant. You will supply milk to that plant and he will give the price which everybody in the country will get. And it's the same rule. We are going to suggest this the Canada model to India. If there is no need for Amul to go to Gurdaspur or Gurdaspur milk fed to go to Amul to buy milk. No. If you assure that you give a base price to the farmer everywhere, like in India, I will suggest to Modi ji that you say that Amul price will be a benchmark. What Amul is paying in Anand will be a benchmark for all dairy companies in India to pay that price to the farmer wherever they buy milk. But they will buy pure milk. And if anybody wants to pay less than that, he will have to say why he is operating business. If that is done, the milk will increase without any investment. Milk will increase. People will start feeding the cows and buffaloes and that's in the words of Dr. Kurian. I attended one meeting with him in Anand, Ilma. And there he said, if you want to increase the milk production, just pay a good price to the farmer. He will start feeding the animal and milk production will go by 30%. And one fellow said, sir, how about losses? If we are suffering losses, what is your advice? He said, increase the purchase price by reduce the purchase price by 1 rupee, increase the sale price by 1 rupee and make up your losses. So he was talking in a joking time language. When somebody said, I am in loss. So why you are in loss? You are buying diluted, manipulated milk, you are in loss. Now any organization based on cooperatives, if they are suffering losses, I say they are not non-fed. It is a Pakhand pattern, whatever it is. See the profitability of Amul. Amul handles 1 lakh liters. A person from procurement manager from Bolsad Milk Unit, he attended the training program I organized. He told me that 80 or 90% milk is cow milk and their SNF is 8.8 or 8.7. But here in North India, everybody is buying 4 fat and 6 SNF milk as a mixed milk. And 4 fat, 6, all the private sector plants in North India, check up. They are buying 4 fat, 6 and they are on 2 axis basis. And this is not milk. No animal is producing this milk. The only thing what is not corrupted today is buffalo and cow. Everybody else can be corrupted. But buffalo and cow cannot be corrupted. You know that? Buffalo and cows cannot be corrupted because they have a natural SNF to fat ratio, which is different for different species. For buffalo milk, if we put the standard 6.5, 8.8, 8.84, 29 CLR, that means the ratio of SNF to fat is 1.36. And in case of cow milk, it is 2.42. And SNF is cheaper. So how can the milk be equated, mixed milk can be bought on 2 axis or same prices? That is what everybody is making a big mistake. I hope you got the point. You got the point. And that is what is happening. When I joined as MD Milk Plant Ludhiana, the plant was in loss, and when I left, the plant made profit of 2 crores in 1 year, and that was the total investment on the plant was 1 crore 60 lakhs. I was there for 6 years. And what I did I'll not buy milk with water. SNF cannot be less than 8.8 and CLR cannot be less than 29. And if you are buying milk directly from the farmer, there is no question of CLR going to less than 29. So that is what it is. We can do it. So it is going to be economical and safe competition for the consumer. It's going to be low investment. Now Dr. Gupta has been asking me time and again that what is your cost like, what will be the cost of this system, what will be the cost of setting up a innovative